emperor penguin parents are out hunting for food. There's only one adult emperor penguin left to look after the baby penguins. Oh no! A blizzard is coming! Gather all the baby penguins! This was the way home. Drag the adult emperor penguin to gather the emperor penguin chicks. Gather the emperor penguin chicks before the time is up. Good job! You have earned some time. Gather all the emperor penguin chicks. Gather all the emperor penguin chicks. Gather all the emperor penguin chicks. That's great! The emperor penguin chicks are home safely. Awesome! You have obtained